Hello again, welcome back. This is African Graduate Excel, and in this section we are going to be looking at formulas and Excel functions. We are going to understand what formulas and functions are and the categories of functions in Microsoft Excel and how to combine a function with other functions or formula. So as you can see on this worksheet, I have already created I won't call it a table, but it is for examples. So you can see your add, subtract, multiply, exponential. I want to spell exponential here. I hope you know what that sign means. Then percentage and percentage of a number. So with time in this course, you are going to understand the difference between how to find the percentage of a number and how to use percentage also in a number. Don't worry, when we get to the two, you will see the difference. So basically, formulas in Excel, it's everything that I've listed there, but functions in Excel, it's inbuilt. So when you want to create a formula in Excel, you must start with an equal sign. This is what I mean, equal sign. So it tells Excel that you are about to start a formula or a function. So now let's simply add those two. You click, since you have inserted your equal sign, you just tap this and you use your plus and you tap this, click enter, and that is it. So when you look at your formula bar, this is formula bar, you can see the name there. It says that cell C plus cell D is equal 6. So that's another way. This is particularly what is called cell reference. If I delete this and I just simply want to say 4 plus 2, sorry, it is still 6. But cell reference is saying that anything inside this cell and this cell gives me 6. So that is it. And cell reference does something for you in that if you have multiple rows and column, once you use cell reference, you can automatically add or subtract everything at a go. You understand? Just take note of that. We will come across example that requires that at the course of our learning. So let's just use our cell reference, and that is it. So in 2, we're still just going to do the same thing. This is minus, use your minus sign, and we have 3 there. Also, multiplication, start with your equal to select this cell and use this control 8. That is it. So division, the same thing. This is exponential. So exponential, basically we are going to be raising something to a power of something. So this, so shift C, so we just raised 8 to the power of 4. This is percentage, so start with our equal to as usual. So this divided by this, then shift 5, just add your percentage. You can see the formula here, click your enter. So 20 divided by 20 divided by 5 times 100 is going to give you 400. Now this last one, percentage, what I mean to say there is 10% of 100. You can want to find 20% of 200, 10% of 100. So 10%, write your 10, you can see the percentage sign and just click 100. Is that what I did there? 10%, click add your number. So 10% of 100 is 0.1. So basically this is how to use formulas in Microsoft Excel, and I think these are all the formulas in Excel. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.